All right, I picked up a kilogram roll here from JG Maker. It is orange, PLA Plus. So comes with recommended temperature 200 to 210. I'll do my own temp tower, all that. So there we go. And all of that was on the label inside as well. So, oh well. I can see that there. So recommended printing temp when it was made and all of that. So clearly well sealed in there. Nice giant silica pack. And so get PLA Plus. And that. So let me open it up and take a blade to get that open. If I really need to cut the blade, that tight bag. There we go. So there we go. And it seems to be pretty well wound on there. And pretty flexible. So I guess it was dry in the bag. It clearly was well sealed. So there we go. So let me start playing with it. Pretty bright orange. I like it. So let me see what I can do.
All right, so here's some of my results. Printing there started with the temp tower and thought it looked really good. Settled on 210. Keep it kind of fairly hot, but just looked kind of the best out of all of them to me. I did some flow calibrations and ended up dialing flow back a little bit. Seemed to flow a little too easily and just kind of over extrude a little bit. So dialed that back. And then I played with retractions and kept my normal direct drive 0.8 millimeter distance, but had to dial the retraction speed down a little bit. Normally I do about 50 millimeters per second. Had to go down to 30 for this, and obviously these are torture tests, but so a few fine little hairs, but to be expected. But I don't really see anything in the other prints, so pretty happy with that. So benchy because it's just a thing. I also like to do the Lego calibration cubes and stack those up for all the filaments that I do, and also do a filament swatch. And there is a little bit of a hair in there. Not bad, but so I can just kind of get a sense of how things work in there and refer back. But thought all the results were good there, and little there from being uh, on the bed, but otherwise articulation type stuff is really good here. So happy with that. Love the look, really bright, vibrant, and yeah, happy. So I hope that will help you out there.
All right, so I did some fidgety things here, and everything worked, I think, really well. Hard for me to do this in the position there, but the Infinity cubes glide really well. So So happy with those, and the stars, kids love these, and obviously they work really well. Just mesmerizing to kind of play with. So much fun. So yeah, both of them turned out really well. Made me a little more, and even did the little friendly slug, and he articulates really well. Um, it snapped the. There we go. A little back of the tail there. I didn't quite snap out. Um, but yeah. So happy little slug, happy little fidgety things. So yeah, happy. Very, very bright orange, printed really well. So I'm happy and hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a good day.